how to download music from YouTube or on YouTube. So in this video I will tell you guys how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first you should come and you have to go and upload this application who name it SNAPTUBE. It's very famous. I will keep the link in the description. So after this you have to go and open your YouTube. Then you will come, for example, to the search and click Katy Perry, for example, lyrics. And for example, I wanna upload this music of Katy Perry. What I should do, I will just play it and click on share. Then I will click on more. After this, it will show me here SNAPTUBE. I will just click SNAPTUBE and I will choose if I wanna upload this in a video or just audio. Be careful here, click for example here classic MP3. Then click watch add download, because you have to watch and not, as you see, 1, 2, 3 and skip. File exists, do you want to download again? Click download and that's it. Your music is starting downloading, guys. So that's it in this video. As you see, I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.